Yo YouTube, what's going on? In this video I'll show you how you can get PoJavLauncher on your iOS. So guys, you will be able to play PoJavLauncher whenever and wherever you want. So I'm gonna open it up right now on my iPhone, and yeah, boom, as you can see guys, it really works. I can go ahead, I'm gonna craft a boat, and now just look at what I'm about to do. So I'm gonna jump and boom, I'm gonna place the boat, and yeah guys, I will be right here. I survived. So guys, as you can see guys, this is the fully working PoJavLauncher, and it's called PoJavLauncher iOS when you download it. No, it's actually called just PoJavLauncher when you download it on your iPhone. So guys, it's also super easy to download, so let's start this video. So guys, to get PoJavLauncher on your iPhone, you have to prepare a mobile device for the installation of the PoJavLauncher. So simply head over to the settings, then go to the general, background app refresh, and in the background app refresh, simply make sure it is turned on for Wi-Fi and mobile data. Okay guys, now we need to do a couple more things. After that guys, head over to the battery settings and make sure guys that the low power mode is turned off. You'll know guys when it's on because the battery color will be yellow. Just make sure it is off and you will be good. Also guys, below the battery settings is the App Store settings. Also go there and make sure that the automatic downloads is turned off. You'll know guys when it's on, you will see that. Just turn it off and you will be good. Okay guys, now guys, we successfully prepare a mobile device for getting PoJavLauncher on our iOS. All you got to do now guys is to simply head over to the pinned comments down below. There guys will be the link to the rest of the video where I explain where you can get PoJavLauncher on your iOS and how to exactly get it. So just go there guys, check out the rest of the video and enjoy PoJavLauncher on your iOS. I guess unfortunately because of the copyright issues cannot show everything in this video. This video will be deleted. So just go there, check out the rest of the video and enjoy PoJavLauncher on your iPhone. Leave a like also if this works. Peace out.